From revolutionizing road construction with cutting-edge technology, RoadstaB has always been at the forefront of innovation. Not just roads, but our fiber bar technology has laid the foundation for stronger, more sustainable homes. From being a leader in asphalt plants to exporting our expertise beyond borders, we've shown the world what it means to pave the future. And through diversification, RoadstaB has brought the essence of India to global markets with our premium exports of tea and coffee. Now we embark on an exciting new journey, a step towards building stronger foundations with our upcoming venture into the crusher business. With the arrival of our state-of-the-art excavator, RoadstaB is ready to crush new challenges and build tomorrow's world.